Hi learners, today we are going to learn the name of 10 vegetables. Let's start. O N I O N Onion. B R I N J A L Brinjal. P O T A T O Potato. R A D I S H Radish. C A B B A G E Cabbage. G I N G E R Ginger. T U R N I P Turnip. Y A M Yum. L E T T U C E Lettuce. S P I N A C H Spinach. Thank you. Visit again. Stay tuned.